So my name is Anitta Kynsilehto, and I work as an associate professor in the University of Tampere in Finland. And my research since quite some time has focused on migration, and I'm particularly interested in migration policies and how, well, at the intersection of how people on the move are navigating regulative systems, and then also how states are regulating migration and complying or not with international law and international regulations regarding asylum, for example. And so this living lab is very much analysis in the making, because I'm currently on my secondment here in Chile, as Emmanuel mentioned. This happens to be a very interesting moment to be here for two reasons. For the politicization of the topic of migration, we see in both countries, as with in so many other countries in the world, this very enhanced securitization of migration and the connected ensuing militarization of borders and border control that are connected processes where migration is framed as an existential threat, existential security threat to the society, so that the existence of the whole society would be or is framed as being under threat. And the security problem to that existence is people moving from abroad. And that then justifies extraordinary means, including militarized means. Very interesting time-wise coincidence was that, and also in terms of international law, is that both Chile and Finland legalized pushbacks, which are the immediate forced removals at the border in 2024. And in the Chilean context, this came after the aftermath of the so-called border crisis in 2023 within South America. Well, in Finland, the difference is that Finland is connected with, contributing to, and bound by European Union legislation. Well, I have to say, at least on paper, because as I mentioned with the pushback law, that was clearly against European legislation. It was still passed, and it was not being notified of by the European Commission.